Hi Nana. Hi friends, how are you? Myself Gopi, I am a maths teacher. See, nowadays all are feeling is a maths is a hard subject, but it is a false statement because maths is a very easiest subject. See, now if you go with any subject, maths related content is there. Okay, now we are seeing that we are discussing that 10th class CBSE board polynomials topic. See, poly means many, poly means many, nomial means terms. Poly means many, nomial means terms. Polynomial means many terms in the sense ఎక్కువ numbers, ఎక్కువ terms. Then ఎక్కువ numbers అంటే in the sense see ఎక్కువ terms ఉన్నాయి like ax square plus bx plus c, then ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, like we are like that in so many ఎక్కువ numbers ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట, ఎక్కువ numbers terms ఉంటాయి. Here who introduced polynomial? First one is who introduced polynomial. Polynomial introduced that René Descartes. René Descartes is introduced the polynomial, and as well as in quadratic geometry also introduced René Descartes only. In polynomial we discussed in 15th century. Introduced in 15th century. Okay. Now definition. See, an algebraic expression consisting of variables and coefficients combined with the addition and subtraction and multiplication with non-negative integral powers. See, the thing is, first of all, what is the meaning of the algebraic expression? In algebraic expression, simply we can tell that, see, 3x plus 2, it is an algebraic expression. See, consisting of variables and coefficients. See here, 3, 2 are the coefficients. 3, 2 are the coefficients, and x is a variable. In polynomial, we are using only one variable, and variable that is x. Only we are using only one variable. Here only we are using one variable, that is x. And here non-negative integral powers. Non-negative integral powers is in the sense non-negative integral power ante here only we go with the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. That means we can follow only whole numbers. Non-negative integers in the sense whole numbers. We can follow whole numbers. Now I am writing one polynomial, general form of the polynomial. P of x equal to an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus and so on plus a2 x power 2 plus a1 x power 1 plus a naught. Here the thing is here this is the highest power. What is the highest power here? N. That is nth degree polynomial. This is nth degree polynomial. Because of nth degree polynomial, here an is not equal to 0. If an is equal to 0, this is not nth degree polynomial. This is become n minus 1th degree polynomial. And coming to the point, here we are using variable. Is x. Here we are using variable x. Here we are using only x. Next, coming to the point, here an minus 1, and so on, a naught. These all are belongs to real numbers. And as well as these all are coefficients. See, these all are the coefficient, and as well as we are using real numbers. Variable is nothing but a variable x. An is not equal to 0, and this is nth degree polynomial. Next, I'll tell some examples. See here, examples. Suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 1. here what is the highest degree, what is the highest power or exponent, whatever it is, we will call exponent also. Exponent, what is the highest exponent? 2. What is the highest degree? 2. What is the x quotient? What is the x quotient? X quotient what now? What is the x quotient here? 3. What is x quotient? 3. Like suppose here 1 by x plus 1. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. No, it is not a polynomial because the variable is in denominator. Variable అనేది denominator లో ఉంది కాబట్టి it is not a polynomial. When the powers either the exponents is positive, ఏదైతే పవర్స్ పాజిటివ్ లో ఉంటాయో ఐ మీన్ 1 2 3 and so on లో ఉంటాయో అవి మాత్రమే పాలినామియల్స్, మిగతా అవి పాలినామియల్స్ కావు. ఓకేనా? జస్ట్ and next in synopsis if you have any doubt you just please message, then I will give reply also, no problem. Next coming to the point, types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Here types of polynomials we have two types. One is based on the terms. One is based on the terms. One is based on the degree. See, based on the terms, first one is we have only one term. For example, we have only one term. It is called monomial. It is called monomial. Like example, 2x or 3y or etc. Next, we have two terms. For example, we have two terms, that is a binomial. What is that? Binomial, like 2x plus 1 or 3y plus 2z. Okay, 3y plus 2 and so on. Next here, three terms. We have three terms. Trinomial. We will call trinomial. See, 3x square plus 2x plus 1 like. Next, see here, 4 or more. 4 or more terms. If we go with the 4 or more terms, it is a multinomial. It is multinomial or polynomial. Multinomial or polynomial, because 4 or more, I said that 4 or more అంటే 4 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఎక్కువ ఉంటే నేను చెప్పాను కదా ఆల్రెడీ, పాలినామియల్ మీన్స్ మెనీ టర్మ్స్, ఎక్కువ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటుంది అంటే ఎక్కువ టర్మ్స్ ఉంటుంది అంటే పాలినామియల్ అంటాం. అలాగే 4 or more మీన్స్ మల్టీనామియల్ ఆర్ పాలినామియల్. నెక్స్ట్ టైప్స్ వచ్చేసి బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద డిగ్రీ. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద డిగ్రీ. నౌ ఫస్ట్ సపోజ్ if we have degree is 0. If you have n, for example, if you take n as a degree, n is 0. If n is 0, that polynomial name is called as a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Here, one thing you keep in mind. Sir, where is the constant polynomial? Sir, we observing so many terms, but it is not there. See, once observe that. Suppose if I am writing 1 x power 0. Already we know that one formula, a power 0 is equals to 1 and a is not equals to 0. From 6th to 7th class onwards we are seeing that a power 0 is equals to 1. In the same manner x power 0 is equals to 1. 1 into 1, 1. Simply suppose 3x power minus 3x power 0 for example, and x power 0 value 1 and minus 3 into 1 minus 3. It is a constant polynomial. And one more important point, it's the most important bit, it is a in state syllabus and CBSE syllabus. What is the constant polynomial degree? It is obviously 0. The constant polynomial degree is 0. It is the most important bit, right? Next, coming to the point, n is equals, suppose degree is equals to 1. If degree is equals to 1, it is a linear polynomial. It is linear polynomial. Like if we have general form ax plus b, here a is not equal to 0, a comma b belongs to real numbers. Ax plus b is a linear polynomial, a is not equal to 0 and a comma b belongs to real numbers. Real numbers. See, now linear polynomial have at most one solution. At most one solution. Next, coming to the point, n is equals to 2. N is equals to 2 means the name is called as a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. See, quadratic polynomial. Here, ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is must and should not equal 0. Here a comma b comma c is belongs to real numbers. A comma b comma c belongs to real numbers. A is not equal 0. Sir, why you are writing here also A is not equal 0, here also A is not equal 0? Because suppose if you take A is equal 0, then only one term is there. That is a constant polynomial. Here x square term is there. A is not A. If you take A is equal 0, then it will become like a linear polynomial. When it is A is equals to 0 and it quadratic polynomial become linear polynomial become constant polynomial. That is the reason we are writing A is not equal to 0. And here at most two solution. At most two solution. At most means, sir, you are writing at most. What is the meaning of at most? At most means either no solution, first point, either one solution. Suppose in linear polynomial we have at least one solution, but sometimes you will get no solution. And like plus or minus root 2, imaginary numbers will get either no solution and one. Here at most two solution means either no solution, either one solution, either two solutions. See, this is the quadratic polynomial general form and explanation. And one more important point, here quadratic polynomial have graph, that is a parabola. Here parabola means, right, quadratic polynomial having parabola. The graph name is a parabola. Here it is the most important graph in the polynomial. Based on the quadratic polynomial you have to run. See, this is the shape of the parabola, either upwards, either downwards. Suppose, see, when it is upwards and when it is downwards, any guess? See, the thing is, here when the x square coefficient is a is greater than 0 and a is less than 0. The parabola upwards and the parabola downwards. And here we are discussing about one more important point. When the graph touches x-axis, that graph having that many zeros. And graph x-axis ni ఎన్నిసార్లు అయితే టచ్ అవుతుందో అన్ని జీరోస్ వస్తాయి ఆ పర్టికులర్ గ్రాఫ్ కి. సపోజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ ఈ గ్రాఫ్ x-axis ని 1 2 3 టైమ్స్ టచ్ అయింది అంటే 3 zeros. Suppose, and one more important, right, here 1 2 3 4 5. This graph have 5 zeros. Now we go with this is x-axis, this like this it is written. What is the number of zeros? Here no zero. Here no zero, because the graph not touching the graph అనేది x-axis ని టచ్ అవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి no zero. Suppose if the graph touches at one point also, it is 1 0. It is considered as a 1. It is considered as a 1. ఒక జీరో వచ్చినట్టే కన్ఫర్మ్ గా. either no zero రావచ్చు, 1 0 రావచ్చు, 3 రావచ్చు, 5 రావచ్చు, whatever it is. Based on the graph it will get. But in the quadratic polynomial we will get at most 2. At most 2 means either no solution, either one solution, either two solutions. We will get 2 solutions also. No problem. Next coming to the point, cubic polynomial. Here cubic polynomial means n is equals to 3. That is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a is not equal to 0 and a comma b comma c d belongs to real numbers. Simply, okay na? This is the cubic polynomial. And if you go with 4, if we are degree is 4, biquadratic polynomial. If degree is 5, that is a quintic polynomial. If you go with the 6th degree polynomial, 7th degree polynomial, 8th degree polynomial, and so on. If you go with the nth degree polynomial, okay now. But these all are only whole numbers. These based on the powers is only whole numbers, not a negative. Suppose if you get negative, it is not a polynomial. Right? Once note down. Now we go with the main topic. Up to now some important terms we discussed. Now our go with the main topic, relation between relation between zeros and coefficients. Up to now we discussed relation between zeros and coefficient. Here relation between zeros and coefficient means already we discussed in the polynomial coefficients. What is the meaning of the coefficients? What is the meaning of the zeros? Zeros is nothing but solutions. ఏదైతే మనం సమ్ చేస్తామో వచ్చే ఆన్సర్స్ ని సొల్యూషన్స్ అంటాం. ఇందాక ఆల్రెడీ నేను చెప్పేసాను ఆల్రెడీ. ఏమని ఏదైతే క్వాడ్రాటిక్ పాలినామిల్ ఉంటే అట్మోస్ట్ 2 సొల్యూషన్స్, లీనియర్ పాలినామిల్ అట్మోస్ట్ 1 సొల్యూషన్, క్యూబిక్ పాలినామిల్ అట్మోస్ట్ 3 సొల్యూషన్స్ అలా చెప్పుకున్నాం. అయితే ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య రిలేషన్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య రిలేషన్ మాట్లాడడం కొంచెం వేరియబుల్స్ వాడాలి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ఏ లీనియర్ పాలినామిల్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లీనియర్ పాలినామిల్ అట్లీస్ట్ కన్ఫర్మ్ గా ఒక సొల్యూషన్ అనేది వస్తుంది. దానికి ఆల్ఫా పెట్టుకుంది. ax plus b లో కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ ఏంటి? a కామా b అనే కోఎఫిషియంట్స్. a కామా b అది కోఎఫిషియంట్స్. నౌ ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ alpha is equals to minus b by a. Alpha is equals to minus b by a. This is the linear polynomial for relation అన్నమాట. Now we go with quadratic polynomial. See, quadratic polynomial లో alpha beta కన్ఫర్మ్ గా the degree is 2 కాబట్టి we'll get 2 solutions, at most 2 solutions. Now here ax square plus bx plus c, here a comma b comma c are the coefficients and alpha beta are the zeros. Here first point, sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Minus b by a in the sense minus x coefficient. చూడండి ఇక్కడ జాగ్రత్తగా రాస్తున్నాను. x coefficient by x square coefficient అన్నమాట. Right. Now coming to the point, product of zeros ని అంటాము ఆల్ఫా బీటా. ఈ రెండింటిని ఒకసారి యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాము, ఒకసారి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాము. c by a అంటే ఏంటి? కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ బై x square coefficient. ఓకేనా? Right. Thing is, once most important is here quadratic polynomial only, because in 10th class CBSE one exercise is there. Second exercise, quadratic polynomial alpha beta are the zeros, a comma b comma c are the coefficients. Sum of the zeros. First ఆ రెండు zeros ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? minus b by a. ఆ రెండింటిని ప్రొడక్ట్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమొస్తుంది? alpha beta minus c by a వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ cubic polynomial also is there. Then we will discuss shortly. Alpha, beta, gamma. Here a, b, c, d are coefficients. Like first one, sum of zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma minus b by a. And next sum and product of the zeros. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. And next coming to the point, product of zeros alpha beta gamma minus d by a. Don't skip the video. If you skip the video, you will not understand what I am saying. Okay now? And one more important point, please continue the video continuously, because now after completion of synopsis I am telling most important questions only, like previous 2022, 2023, 2024 what questions gave in CBSE board and state board, that sums only we will discuss. Okay now, not all the syllabus, just we discuss only important questions. Okay now? Right. Once note down 2 minutes. When you are writing, when you are listening, that time if you have any doubt, please comment, then I will share. I'll tell you. Note down. Now finally mostly we completed synopsis almost. Next coming to the point, nature of the roots. Sir, why you are telling nature of the roots? Actually this is in the quadratic equation chapter na. What you are telling here means, here we are discussing about zeros. It is how many zeros will get, which type of zero will get, అంటే ఏ type of zero వచ్చిందో కూడా మనకి అక్కడ తెలియాలి. That is the reason I am telling that. Listen Nana, after that one more point is that we will discuss and we will close the synopsis and we will go with the important questions. See here ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is positive. Already we discussed a is positive. A is positive, the parabola upwards. A is negative, the parabola downwards. It is keep in mind. The shape is in quadratic polynomial, quadratic equations or a quadratic polynomial. The graph is only parabola shape. And here first point is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. This is the nature of the root. And either దీన్ని మనం డెల్టా కానీ క్యాపిటల్ D తో కానీ డినోట్ చేస్తాం. డెల్టా ఆర్ క్యాపిటల్ D తో డినోట్ చేస్తాము. Here b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Greater than 0 వచ్చినప్పుడు the roots అనేవి solutions అనేవి రియల్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యు గో విత్ b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, ఇక్కడ మనకి రూట్స్ అనేవి రియల్ అండ్ ఈక్వల్ వస్తాయి. రియల్ అండ్ ఈక్వల్. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ b square minus 4ac is less than 0. ఇక్కడ నాన్ రియల్ అండ్ ఇమాజినరీ రూట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇమాజినరీ రూట్స్ వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ నాన్ రియల్ అండ్ ఇమాజినరీ రూట్స్ అంటే రూట్స్ సరిగా రావు. సారీ, ఇమాజినరీ రూట్స్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ ఐయోటా కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ రియల్ అండ్ ఈక్వల్ అంటే సేమ్ నెంబర్స్ వస్తాయి. 1/2 1/2, 3/2 3/2, -2/3 -2/3. లైక్ ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ రూట్స్ అంటే 4, -3 or 5, -5, లైక్ ఎనీ డిఫరెంట్ నెంబర్స్ విల్ కమ్. And coming to the point, how to find the quadratic polynomial. Suppose if they give alpha and beta, or alpha plus beta and alpha beta, alpha comma beta, or they give alpha plus beta, and if they ask questions differently, suppose if they give zeros, we can find the sum of the zeros and మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద జీరోస్ అనేవి ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద జీరోస్ కనుక్కొని క్వాడ్రాటిక్ పాలినామియల్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ పాలినామియల్ p of x equal to k of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the quadratic polynomial finding formula. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా చేస్తాం. లేదు డైరెక్ట్గా ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఇచ్చామనుకోండి, దాన్ని ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఫైండ్ చేస్తాం. మనకి ఫైనల్లీ అల్టిమేట్లీ మనకి రావాల్సింది ఏంటి? ax square plus bx plus c ఫార్మ్ రావాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద synopsis of polynomial. Once again I am telling that first of all we discussed about who introduced polynomial, that is René Descartes. In 15th century he introduced, and after that definition. And polynomial means poly means many, terms means equal, more than terms, then we'll get poly many terms. And after the definition and containing ఇక్కడ మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటంటే an is not equals to 0 అండ్ నాన్ నెగిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ ఉండాలన్నమాట. దాని తర్వాత వచ్చేసరికి పాలినామియల్స్ తర్వాత డెఫినేషన్స్ తర్వాత వచ్చేసి టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ పాలినామియల్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద టర్మ్స్, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద డిగ్రీ వి డిస్కస్డ్. అండ్ ఇన్ దట్ గ్రాఫికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆల్సో వి డిస్కస్. అంటే లైక్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ ఎన్నిసార్లు టచ్ అవుతుంది అన్ని జీరోస్ వస్తాయి మనకి. ఒకవేళ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ టచ్ అవ్వకపోతే నో జీరోస్ అని చెప్పేసి చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. అలా గ్రాఫికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాము. తర్వాత క్వాడ్రాటిక్ రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ జీరోస్ అండ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం. అంటే లైక్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద రూట్స్, ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద రూట్స్. And in the cubic polynomial, sum of the roots, sum and product of the roots and product of the roots we discussed. Right, coming to the point, nature of the roots also we discussed. It is it will useful in polynomial also. That is the reason I am telling again. And here quadratic polynomial, it is regularly we know that already. Quadratic polynomial also is useful because they will give alpha beta or alpha plus beta alpha beta. They will give directly if you substitute. If they will not give directly, if you add and product, ఒకసారి యాడ్ చేసి ఒకసారి ప్రొడక్ట్ చేసి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఖతం అయిపోయింది. రైట్, ఇది క్వాడ్రాటిక్ b of x equal to k of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Right, now once note down ఇది ఈ polynomial ఏంటి? when they give roots, when they give zeros, then you have to find the quadratic polynomial. Normally when they give polynomial we have to find the zeros with the help of factorization or ఫార్ములా. లైక్ -b ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ b స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac ఫార్ములా ఉపయోగించేయచ్చు, లేదా ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ చేసి చేయొచ్చు. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఇస్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఇస్ ద సినాప్సిస్ ఆఫ్ పాలినామియల్. దయచేసి వీడియో మళ్ళీ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తూ చూడండి. డోంట్ స్కిప్ ద వీడియో. ఇఫ్ యూ స్కిప్ విల్ మిస్ 1 పాయింట్ అట్లీస్ట్. ఓకేనా? మనం డిస్కస్ చేసేది ఓన్లీ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ. ఓన్లీ ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మీకు ఏది యూజ్ అవుతుంది అది మాత్రమే డిస్కస్ చేస్తాము. ఈ వీడియో ఎంత లెంత్గా చేయడానికి కారణం ఏంటంటే సినాప్సిస్ లేనిది మీరు 1 మార్క్ బిట్స్ కవర్ చేయలేరు. ప్లీజ్ కీప్ ఇన్ మైండ్, ఏదైనా ఉంది అంటే మనకి మెయిన్గా కావాల్సింది 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఏదైతే మనం 1 మార్క్ కవర్ చేస్తామో దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ 100%. ఇంకా మోస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే మనకి మ్యాథ్స్లో మాత్రమే 100 వేసే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఒకవేళ తెలుగు తీసుకున్నాం 99తో ఆపేస్తారు, హిందీ తీసుకున్నాం 99, ఇంగ్లీష్ తీసుకున్నాం 99, మోస్ట్లీ 100. ఓకే ఫైన్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ 100 పక్కాగా ఏదన్నా చిన్న చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ పోయినా సరే కన్ఫర్మ్గా 100 వచ్చే సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏదన్నా ఉంది అంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ మ్యాథ్స్. ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ ఈజ్ మ్యాథ్స్, రైట్? నౌ కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్, వీల్ డిస్కస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్. నాన్న మనం ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. వన్స్ నోట్ డౌన్. Right, again we'll back. See, in the previous we discussed about the polynomial synapses. Now in 2023, 24, 25 given important question we will discuss now. See, first one, for example, this question is they given in 2011. They given in 2011. Here 2011. See, this is the graph. This is x-axis. This is given. See, how many number of zeros are there in the particular graph? How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. Total 3 zeros are there. 3 zeros are there in the particular graph. This is in 2011 they gave. And in 2013 they gave like this. See, this is x-axis. This is x-axis. And see, this is y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here number of zeros are 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of zeros are 4. Now coming to the point, and the third one is a very very important one. This is in 2012. This is in 2012. They gave like this. See, this is a different question among remaining. See here, right? See, this is a 0, already we know that. This is a -1 and this is -2. This is -3. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they given in between here. See, question is the number of zeros between between -2 and 3. -2 and 3. Between -2 and 3, how many zeros are there? -2 means this is the line. -3 means this is the line. -2 to -3. In between, how many zeros are there? How many zeros are there? 1, 2, and 2 zeros. 2 zeros. 2 zeros. What is that? What is that? -1, 2. What is that? -1 and 2 are the 2 zeros are between ఈ -2 and 3. -2 కి -3 కి మధ్యలో ఏవైతే జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయో అవి ఎన్ని? అన్ని 2 ఉన్నాయి. అవి ఏమిటి? -1 టచ్ అయింది ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి, ఇక్కడ 2 దగ్గర టచ్ అయింది. -1, 2 ఆర్ ది zeros of the given graph. ఓకేనా? And now and one more important sum we are discussing here in 2012. Fourth one, in 2012 they gave one question. P of x equal to 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Find the zeros. Find the zeros. Find zeros. Find the zeros. How will you find? How will you find the zeros? Once observe that. First you should write P of x equal to 0. Once write down 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Once observe that this is listen carefully. 4x square is nothing but a 2x whole square minus 2ab. 2 into 2x into 3 plus 3 square. Once observe that a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we go with a minus b whole square. Like 2x minus 3 whole square equal to 0. Minus 2 equal to 0. Now we go with 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 3 transpose to that side plus 3. X equal to 3 by 2. X equal to 3 by 2. X equal to 3 by 2. And here we want two roots. That is 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Because equal roots. Delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to 0. That is the reason we are taking 3 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Nature of the roots. Discriminant is equal to 0. That is the reason we have equal roots. We have equal roots. This is in 2012 and this is in 2012 they gave like this. 2013 they gave like this. 2011 they gave like this in CBSE board. Okay now. Now once note down na. Once note down. Right. Still more important questions are there. This is in 2030 and 2024 they gave this question. Here they gave polynomial p of x equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 1. This is the polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus 1. This is the polynomial p of x. They gave like this, and we should find alpha plus alpha beta. We should find the value of this. See, now we go with alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is nothing but a minus b by a. Here a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5, c is equals to 1. Now we go with right alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta minus of 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2, and alpha beta c by a. Alpha beta is nothing but a c by a. C by a is equals to c in the sense 1 by 2. Now according to the problem, see alpha plus alpha beta, that means minus 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2. See now here 5 by 2 and 1 by 2, these are the like fractions. When you have like fractions, you just add or subtract numerator. Minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1 by 2. Minus 5 plus 1 and the minus 4 by 2. 1 2s are 2 times. That means answer 2. Alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Answer is minus 2. They gave in 2012 they gave 2013 and 2024 they gave like this one bit, right? And coming to the second bit, x p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus b. Simply we close like this. X square, right? Here they give one more clue. Alpha minus beta is equals to 1. Find the b. Find b. Right. Find here. B find out here. Right. ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చూసినట్టయితే first we have to find alpha plus beta. I think we don't want alpha beta. I think yes, good. We don't want alpha beta now. Just a simple way, simply and smart trick. Alpha beta is equals to c by a is there. Here already we know that a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to b. They give coefficients. b by c by a means in the sense b by a place lo unnattu em lekapothe 1, b by 1. B by 1. Now alpha beta value anta b. Alpha beta value b. Now they give one clue here. This one we have to do squaring on both sides. Okay. Squaring on both sides. Okay, go. Right. Alpha minus beta whole square equal to 1 square. Alpha square plus beta square. Okay. Alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Minus 2 alpha beta is equals to 1 square is nothing but a 1. Now alpha plus beta. Okay, we'll find alpha beta also. Okay, we don't want this one. Simply we close like this. Alpha plus beta, we'll find alpha beta also. It is not possible. Just you find alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus 5 by 1. That means 5. Here alpha minus beta is equals to 1. Alpha plus beta is equals to 5. We can cancel alpha plus alpha. 2 alpha is equals to 6. Here 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are. Alpha is equals to how much? 3. Alpha equal to 3. Alpha value we substitute in once write down and up to here write down. This question they gave in 2012 now. In 2012 they gave this question. Now alpha value we got. Now alpha value substitute in alpha plus beta equal to 5 na. alpha value substitute here. 3 plus beta is equals to 5. Beta equal to 5 minus 3. Now beta is equals to plus 5 plus 3 transfer to that side minus 3. 5 minus 3 how much? 2. Beta value is 2. And one more important point, alpha beta is equals to b. And now 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. B is equals to 6. Finally we got b. Therefore b is equals to 6. B equal to 6 now. Right. And one more important question. This is they gave in 2020. In 2020 they gave like this. What is that? X square p of x equal to x square plus a plus 1 into x, a plus 1 into x plus b. Here a is equals to 1, b is equals to a plus 1, c equal to b. Already we know that ax square plus bx plus c form. Okay now? Compare. X square quotient is a, x quotient is b, x constant term is c. And zeros of the quadratic, already zeros they gave. Zeros also they gave. Zeros is 2 comma minus 3. 2 comma minus 3 they gave zeros. Now finally alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta what? Minus b by a. Minus b in the sense minus a plus 1 by 1. Alpha means 2. Beta means 3. 2 minus 3 equal to minus a plus into minus minus 1. Now 2 minus 3 means minus 3. Okay, we keep like this. Minus of a plus 1. See, minus of a plus 1. Minus minus cancel. A plus 1 equal to 3. A equal to plus 1 transfer to that side. Minus 1. 3 minus 1. 2. 3 minus 1. 2. Okay now. See here we got a value. Here we got a value. Okay now. Next one, see b value. B value we have to find with the help of alpha beta. Alpha beta it is possible, I think c by a. C in the sense b by 1. That means alpha beta. That means 2 into minus 3 equal to b. That implies b is equals to 2 3 are 6 minus 6. B is equals to minus 6 and a equal to 2. We have to use the small tricks alpha plus beta. Alpha beta. Just within this one is 2 steps, this one is 2 steps. It will close. Okay, it will not get lengthy process. Idem lengthy process kaadu, just simple ga close cheyachchu annamata. Okay, once note down and we go with the another sums. See now, still more important questions we have to discuss. Now we discussed some important questions. Now again this question we got in 2023 in CBSE board we got. It is p of x equal to x square plus x minus 1. We have to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. First you should do this one. Alpha beta take LCM. 1 into beta plus alpha. You just find alpha plus beta, alpha beta. Right now, right here, alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Alpha beta equal to c by a. Simply, alpha beta is nothing but minus 1 by 1. 1. Here x square quotient 1 only na. Here minus 1 by 1. Here sorry minus 1 this one. This one also minus 1. Now here we cancel it alpha plus beta minus 1 by minus 1. Cancel will get answer 1. And finally 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta answer is 1. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta answer is 1. That question we get in 2023. Now in 2023 one more important question they gave. In 2023 only they gave one question. Minus 2 by 3 comma plus 2 by 3. These are the zeros. These are the zeros. How to find quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. Already we already said that alpha is equals to minus 2 by 3. Zeros they gave. Not sum of the zeros. We have to find sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta. Minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. We can get cancel is 0. Alpha beta. Minus 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. 2 2s are minus 4 by 3 3s are 9. We just simply substitute here. P of x equal to k of x square. First time on formula rasnanu. Alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now let k value take 1. Let k value take 1. Oh, no need. See, 9 kada. Okay, let k value take 9. Denominator, what is that? You have to take that k value. That's it. K of x square minus alpha plus beta into 0 minus alpha to minus 4 by 9. Okay, minus 4 by 9. Just you should take 9 here. 9 take LCM. 9 into x square, 9x square minus 4. 9 get cancelled. Finally, p of x we get 9x square minus 4. 9x square minus 4. Okay, now once note down, Mama. Right, one more important question. This question they gave in 2023. See, simply they gave like this. This is the polynomial graph. Number of zeros. Number of zeros. What is the answer of number of zeros? 0. Because this graph not touches with the x-axis. This graph not touches with the x-axis. That is the reason no zeros. Next, one more important point. In 2024 they gave. In 2024 they gave polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Here we have to find p of 1 plus p of 4. P of 1 plus p of 4. Just you have to substitute in the place of 1. 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. 1 minus 5 plus 6. How much now? 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 minus 5 2. And p of 4. 4 square minus 5 of 4 plus 6. See, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20 plus 6. See, 6 plus 16, how much now? 22. 22 minus 20? 2. Now, p of 1 plus p of 4 equal to 2 plus 2. How much will get? 4. How much we are getting now? 4 we are getting. P of 1 plus p of 6. Okay, now confirm minus 5 plus 6. Okay, 6 7 minus 2 2 16. 5 was the 26 4 22 correct. Right, 5 2 plus 2 4. Now one more important point. It is we are getting in 2024 only. P of x equal to it's one of the zero they give kx square plus 4x plus k. One of the zero is 1. One of the zero is 1. Find k value. Find k. See, first you should take alpha beta. Alpha beta, already alpha they give 1. Okay na? Alpha beta is equals to k by k. C by a gavati. Okay na? That is c by a. That means k cancel 1 will be. Alpha value also 1. 1 into beta equal to 1. That means beta value is 1. Beta value also 1 only. Now we go with the alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equals to 4 by k. 1 plus 1. 4 by k. See, simply k equal to 1 plus 1 2. 4 by 2. 1 2 are 2. 2 times. K equal to 2. It is a very easy. See, first alpha beta you should find. C by a that is 1. Beta also 1. Alpha also 1. Same roots. 0 same zeros. Alpha plus beta 1 plus 1. 2 transport to that side. K transport to. See, k equal to 4 by 2. So 1s are 2 2s are. That finally we get a k value is 2. This is the very important questions in a previous class they gave. Okay now. And one more in 2023 gave. In 2023 they gave one question. It is the parabola like this it is there. What is the coefficient of x square? What is the coefficient of x square? What will you get now? What is the parabola downwards? What is the coefficient of x square? A is less than 0. A is less than 0, then the parabola is downwards. The parabola is downwards. Okay now? When the parabola is downwards, A is less than 0, the parabola is downwards. When the parabola is upwards, A is greater than 0. A is greater than 0. Once note down,